Today is going to be a little bit different. We're not actually going to be working on any of the cars. I'm going to take you guys along with me today while I go to Fullerton, which is about 2 hours away from San Diego. And I'm going to be filming some stuff for Alec Hohnadell, who is a Formula D driver. And this year, for this Formula Drift season, I'm going to be his main media guy. So I'm going to be following him around for all of the drift rounds for Formula D, or as many as I can go to. And I'll be filming some content for him. And on the way back today, after I film a little bit of his car, I will be dropping by Garagistic to go pick up a bunch of parts for the drift car and some parts for the turbo car. So that'll be fun, and I want to bring you guys along, kind of show you guys the shop and some of the parts that I'm going to pick up. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys the Formula D car that Alec's going to be driving this season. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to release it already, but I'll take you guys along. And it should be fun. So I hope you guys like this style of video, even though I don't really get any work done. It just is more content, I guess. So if you guys are cool with this kind of content, please let me know. If you guys just want build episodes, then I can always just stick to those, but sometimes I'm not working on the car, and if you know, there's obviously nothing to upload if that's all I can upload. So I'm just gonna give this a shot, so hopefully you guys like it. And it's a pretty small shoot since it's just for a little short Instagram edit. So I got most of my gear in here, my external monitor / recorder, and then gimbal, which the Ronin S is a freaking beast. This thing is just so compact, easy to bring, and way easier than the freaking big ol' Ronin M, which is supposed to be the small version. But yeah, anyways, let's go take all this stuff to the car and get on our way. And no, we are not gonna take the E30, unfortunately. It's just bad on gas, and it's just, I take it up there all the time to Garagistic, or I took it last time to Garagistic. This car's so nice to take. Alright, so I'll see you guys when we see Alec's car. Alright, so we just parked. I can see the car over there. Let me see if you guys can see it. Right over there. Oh yeah, you definitely can't see that. But I'm gonna go in, introduce myself because I've never worked with these guys before, and then I'll start filming, and hopefully I can get some clips for you guys. But yeah, hopefully I'll show you guys some footage.
I got drip for sale. 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 Got a blue 80, could've bought me a Rolex. Always should've bought him a cold tag. Depending on how I feel, might throw me two back. Yeah, like Kodak. Yo, look, tryna ride my way. NBA young boy outside today. Shoe game sick, finna see my doctor. Stealing swag, finna call my lawyer. Flew 300 to Miami at the same damn time. The sucker had them at the same damn time. Bought him fitting, bought him Louis at the same damn time. Spun a bag.
Alright, so just finished filming. I hope before this part you saw like a little sequence of what was going on in there. It looks like they're trying to get everything done by Friday, and today is Tuesday, and they're trying to have the car testing at Willow Springs on Friday. So I didn't really want to bother them or get in their way, so I just filmed what I needed and I'm out. So now I'm gonna go get food, maybe boba, probably boba, and then head over to Garagistic and go say what's up to those guys and pick up my parts. So let's go to do that. Just pulled up to Garagistic. There's Matt over there. Woo. All right, let's go inside, see what's up. What am I looking at? I don't even know. Oh, my seatbelt's already undone. Oh boy. Whew. It's always nice seeing this. All right, so they're going to the track on Friday, and he's taking his E46. This is Matt. And what did you do to your car?
Basically, we kind of escalated the build really bit quickly. It was supposed to be like a shop runner, and that's what it was for like the last 4 years, just neglected and stuff. But you know, we ended up actually just, you know, we need to document a bunch of our new E46 reinforcements and E46 poly bushings and stuff like that. So we ended up buying Aid at King's Auto Body, his old Moton coilovers for his race car. We ended up mounting them here temporarily, kind of get some testing, we'll make some brackets.
Jeez,
so we ended up doing that. Welded on the subframe reinforcements, E46 tend to tear. Pulley, rear bushings, finned diff cover. What else? We got our new adjustable camber arms on here.
Damn,
yep.
What?
It's gonna be crazy. Anyway, he's got the solid shifters on this one, Mishimoto radiator, It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. It's a little overkill for our shop runner now, but whatever. We're gonna go there and just have some fun with it. Hell, it could be a great camera car.
Yeah,
you know, someone hanging out
true.
the back of it, Top Gear style.
Yeah.
You know.
Man, it's funny how like people always say it's like, oh, this will be like the daily, you know, and then it ends up turning into a race
you
car.
know, it's like, yeah, that's always how it is. But like, I managed to keep it stock for 4 years though. You know, just
oh wow,
you know,
yeah, that's not bad.
Having, you know, doing subframes and powder coat runs and all that stuff. So it's been good. And then whenever we do like, you know, lemons or a 24-hour endurance race or something like that, it becomes my hotel. You know, just lay it out. You know, it's super practical when it has the interior in it. Just lay out.
That's so sick.
Yeah, it's fun, dude. I love this car. I love this car. It's fantastic. So
sick.
We'll see. We just gotta get some smaller wheels. Right now it's got the 19s. For
oh
that,
yeah, these are.
that street swagger stuff.
Dang.
So.
That's crazy.
Yeah, like the kids say, mad flossing, yo. So. But yeah, I think I got some E34 M5 wheels, so the light 5-spoke ones. All right, we'll put them on there and see. I think the offset might be kind of weird, but
I think it looks sick.
Well, yeah, it would look sick. It's super light too, super cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'd be really cool. But yeah, it should be good, especially, you know, solid shifter and everything. It's super different now.
Oh
different.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, we'll get some dope footage of it on Friday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Let's go check out.
I know. Matter of fact, it's gonna end up with the LS or fucking K series.
Oh god.
Something one time. We can't seem to keep anything stock around here. You know. But yeah, we got the K Swap building too.
Yeah, let's go check that out.
Okay.
All right. So this is the K24 Swap. Obviously no motor yet, and it's Tuesday, and they need it running by Friday.
Yeah, no pressure, right? We got this.
Yeah.
We got the motor. We got the motor mounts, oil pan. Made a billet oil pan. We're just gonna make, you know, a couple adjustments to the trans adapter. But we got the DSSR on there. We got the solid mount shifter. Got the exhaust. I mean, we're doing a super budget on like 2-3 days and no sleep. But we're even trying to make it to like a stock M20 exhaust for right now. Just get it done. I guess we can get done like now, like today. So yeah, huge crunch timeline, but it'll make for a good video.
Yeah,
you
definitely.
know, get it all kind of like worked out, the bugs and stuff like that. We got enough subframes and stuff laying around here. We could probably just throw something together. We're not really worried about the E30 side of stuff. We're like trying to figure out like the Honda side of stuff.
Yeah.
That's where, you know, trying to figure that out. But it should be pretty potent, you know. Should be pretty potent.
Oh,
got
yeah.
the harness today, the standalone Honda, the different injectors, S2000 intake manifold.
What?
Yeah.
That's a thing?
Oh yeah, that's how you can get it to face. You got to face this thing the right way. I mean, that's the whole problem with this motor. Like, it's facing the wrong way, or the right way, depending on how you look at it. You know. But we basically had to put it sideways, which meant like the oiling situation is all in a different spot.
Oh,
the intake manifold facing the wrong way. I mean, it was a mission, but we got it, and we got even prototype. You know, this thing came off the machine actually just yesterday, just rough, you know, rear coolant block, because you know even the rear coolant block faces the wrong way. So yeah, a lot of work in this thing, but when it's done, it should be sick. I mean, if we could package it, we can. I mean, if we can get it to work in this car, we can get it to work in the E36, E46, the 190. We can get it fit in a lot of stuff. So we're trying to like make it like pretty modular, because that's how we're gonna be able to bring down the price on like the trans adapter. You know, because if it fits like 4 or 5 chassis, okay, great. We can buy the material in bulk. We can machine it in bulk, and then we can pass on the savings. You know. Otherwise, I mean, it's just a big piece of material. You know, like literally like cost just in materials is up there.
Yeah.
But you know, we do everything house, so you know, get it done. You know, no pressure, only a couple days.
I'm excited to see this thing rip, man.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, I think it'll be really good too, especially with the new skid plate, the new aero mods. So
oh yeah, the new
really
splitter.
Cool. Yep, it'll be really functional. But we're just trying to be like, you know what, let's just get the car in there and running. If it's putting around Friday, whatever, made it. You know, good enough. You know?
Yeah,
so
definitely.
It should be really sick. Really sick, especially if they track the momentum like that, big willow. It might be kind of cool. So yeah, we'll see what happens.
Cool. Yeah. They are killing things out here at Garagistic. They are producing a bunch of new parts, making these swaps possible for DIYers like me. So definitely check out all their parts. They're always constantly coming out with new stuff for all different types of chassis. We're actually planning on making some 2002 parts, using my 2002 as like a template, hopefully in the near future. So yeah, I'm just gonna go do some more filming in there. I'll try to show you guys a little bit more around the shop for things that I actually can show you. But yeah. Whew. So after a lot longer of a recording session than I thought I'd have over there at Garagistic, we're finally back, and we got the parts. So let me finally go show you guys what parts I picked up while I was there. It's missing like a couple of things, I think just one thing actually, but let's go unload it from the car and show what I got. Oh boy. Let's get this bag of goodies out first. And let's go put it on the washing machine workbench. And let's go grab the last thing. Oh, and this one's a little obvious. You might be able to guess this one. It's really dark, I'm sorry. Can you guess what this is? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, shit. Oh. Boom. Alright, so to start off, I got the new aluminum splitter that they make for IS lips. So that means I'm going to be ditching this Rqive infinity lip replica thing from eBay. I'm going to replace that with an IS lip replica from eBay. Now the reason for that is just because I don't want to pay a lot for a regular IS lip. Actually, that's pretty much it. I have one, an OEM one up there. I don't know if you can see it, but I have one there. I've ran it over like 3 or 4 times and it slid under my skid plate, got all twisted, but it's still in one piece, and it only got like road rash and like kind of lost some plastic or whatever material from getting like, you know, rubbed against the road. But like it's really good quality. Like it would last a lot better than a eBay lip, but since I'm on bags, I don't think I'm gonna be hitting it anyways, and it looks the same as an OEM one, so might as well spend like what, 50 bucks versus I think those go for 170 or something now. They used to be 120 when I bought that one, but I don't know. So I'm gonna run the, you know, the cool aluminum IS lip, and I guess we'll open it right now. Alright, so if you don't follow Garagistic, or if you haven't seen their new items that they make for sale, this is their new aluminum IS lip splitter. So it's got like cool little fins over here at the bottom section that fills out the little gap of an IS lip, and it's freaking sick. And it comes powder coated wrinkle black, so I think wrinkle black is like the coolest thing, especially on E30s for some reason. I feel like it just fits. And I guess on like Honda valve covers, it looks kind of cool, not gonna lie. But anyways, this thing is sweet. It is so sick. I'm gonna show an install video of this on, you know, on the new eBay one that I get whenever I get it in. But I'm very hyped on that. Let me, man, fuck. I'm too lazy to grab it. But yeah, so that's the aluminum IS lip. I can't even fit this under the freaking car because my car's on the ground right now, aired out. But this thing's gonna look sweet. It's gonna look so sick. And I'm also super excited by all these other parts that I picked up while I was there. So let me go open the bag and show you guys what I got. Look at this. Whoa. So here, I'm gonna go lay it out and kind of make it a little bit more organized. Alright, I really need to organize the garage to have a cleaner workspace. But anyways, I've got chassis reinforcement pieces right here. So this is for the diff. This is, I believe, for sway bars? I don't know, sway bar reinforcement, I believe. Front subframe. Oh, this is rear sway bar, I believe. I got a diff offset bushing, an 80A, because we're going to be pulling out the entire rear subframe and redoing all the bushings and doing all these reinforcements that we can, and also installing like the camber adjustment kit that they have using these eccentric bolts and these brackets that we got to weld in. And then I also got rear trailing arm bushings, like I said, and I got an E36 M3 DSSR, which should work with our transmission. And when I want to switch over to the chassis mount shifter that they make, I can use this because the one that I have in the car right now doesn't fit perfectly. I had to drill a little bit forward because of the chassis mount shifter that I have in that car is a little different. And I just wanted to make whatever I had work. But this one should make it so the chassis mount shifter that Garagistic sells will fit perfectly and be centered with the shifter hole. And since that one you can't really move it, it like bolts up perfectly in the center of the transmission tunnel hole, then I won't be able to run the DSSR I have there right now. Since the other one I was able to drill a new like mounting area a little bit forward, if that makes sense. So that should solve that issue when I decide to switch over to the Garagistic one. And I got a stainless steel clutch line and stainless steel brakes for that as well. And so you already know that I'm going to be filming like literally all of this on the drift car. And of course the aluminum IS lip install on the turbo car. So that's a lot more content for you guys to see. And you guys can watch the content that I filmed at Garagistic on their YouTube channel. I'm going to be filming a lot more stuff for them as well. So if you want really in-depth install videos, that stuff's going to be on their channel. And of course I'm going to do all the other install stuff on my cars on my channel. So just stay posted. Lots of E30 content coming up. So thank you guys so much for watching for today. I think we're going to end it here. And hopefully next video I'll be installing some of these parts, or you'll see the M50 car running well without the overheating issue, hopefully. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. And thank you guys.